Hey, I'm Hunter Helm.
And I'm Elijah Whitaker.
And we're both part of the Double ET program.
And we put together, our project is a useless box, but it is much more than a useless box.
So if you don't know what that is, all it is you flip the switch, something comes out and it flips it back, and that's all it does. We spent a lot of hours on this. One of the really big things that I didn't think would be a problem was building the box itself, all the carpentry that went into it. We ran into a lot of issues when it came to the lid, toggle switches, that hinge, and then wiring the whole thing up. It wasn't easy with two people because you could only get so many hands in there. So it made it pretty tricky for two people to actually work on this. The programming ended up being a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. A lot of hours went into that and fixing it and testing it. A lot of testing.
Yeah.
A lot of testing.
We ended up having a lot of problems to iron out, and as you can see with this demonstration, there was one of the audio sound bites that was one sequence off. So even with this time through, when we thought we had all the kinks worked out, we're going to have to go back through and figure out what problems we have with the programming. And so it might look like a small box, but inside of here is a lot of wiring, a lot of different components, and a lot of programming.
So I think one of the biggest things I learned though is when I go out into the field, it's going to be a lot more than just wiring stuff up. I'm going to be doing a lot more mechanical work than I was thinking I would when I went into this program. So.
Yeah, we learned with the arm that comes out and hits the finger to turn it back off. Learning how to deal with some of the more of the, like you said, the mechanical side. Building that arm, bending the metal, drilling tap screws, and all kinds of stuff like that. That will be useful in the field along with our electrical program. There's a lot of opportunities out there from this program. It really is.